calling me splurge. Let me jump right off the curb. Bentley spray fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl McKaylamonae, and today we are gonna do a vlog. I'm doing a what is that called? Maintenance vlog. And the first step that y'all didn't see was my wax appointment. I actually went there Tuesday, but I didn't vlog it because it wasn't really nothing too much to vlog. And yeah, so currently right now I'm about to go give my wig to the girl that's gonna do my hair, and I get my hair did tomorrow, and I may or may not get my eyebrows done today. I don't think I am. I think I'm gonna just wait till tomorrow. And I also gotta go to Michael's because y'all probably don't know, actually y'all don't know, but I'm doing a photo shoot on Sunday, so I'm also preparing for that as well, and I'm gonna bring y'all along with me in that video. So yeah, I got the wig, and I asked the girlies on Instagram, should I add my Amazon vendors to my vendors list. I'm actually about to do a what's the name video too. Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna just talk to y'all once I get to Michael's. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all once I get to Michael's. Okay, y'all, don't mind this what's this called, scarf. Your girl gotta be better safe than sorry, okay? But now we looking for this little board thing for 87. Definitely was down here. Why y'all ain't say nothing? Now we're looking for this little, what's the name thing? It's like a board thing for my photo shoot. 82. Wow, I was right over here. Okay. Well, 87. I see 84, 83, 84, 86. I don't see 87. I don't see 87. Yeah, I can't see 87 nowhere. I'm looking for 87. See 80, 89. Then I see it go to 95 and 91. I don't want to see 87. Okay, maybe I might ask somebody. Excuse me. I had a question. Yeah. I was looking for this letterboard.
Oh,
it said 87, but
yeah, here, let me, does it have a stop count on there? It would be in that same spot as the aisle where it said it was.
Do I press it?
Oh, okay. Limited quantity. So there's definitely a chance we're out. I can ask my manager really quick, but
okay.
If you didn't see anything over there, then...
No, I don't even see 87.
Oh, okay.
Because it's like 86, 89.
I see what you're saying. Hey, where are the, like, letter boards, with the, like, plastic letters that you can see?
Ain't got no one that back calling me splurge. Let me jump right off the curb. Bentley spray fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
go do it. So if I do like show y'all when we get to the mall, then I'm just record it off of my phone because literally every time I turn my camera it's dead. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all probably once I get up there to order my bowl. I'm gonna talk to y'all at the mall.
Ain't got no one that back calling me splurge. Let me jump right on the curb. Bentley spray fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick of thick purge. Smack on the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick way she turn. In my own lane we can't merge. So no hands you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the beat with feelings. Keep peace. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. Holla, I run through a million. I rock with a really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing.
Hey y'all, so let me show y'all what time it is because I haven't recorded nothing really. So it's 12:51, March 5th, and I just got done with my hair and it's curled, and yeah, I had just went back and got curls or whatever like that. And Bay got his hair cut. And what else? Oh, I'm gonna bring y'all to like the mall with us, and like, you know, cause I'm trying to see if I want to place the cake order today or go Friday. I don't know, but we gonna see. I'm gonna bring y'all along the day with us because I haven't been doing it, and this vlog kind of all over the place, and it never really gave maintenance vlog because I haven't shown y'all no maintenance that I got. But yeah, we about to eat, and then I'm gonna talk to y'all later. It's a lot of different flavors. I'm gonna do the red velvet.
That's a good choice. Anything else for you today?
No, that's it. Which one you gonna get? The red velvet is good. Chocolate chip is good.
I'm trying to get between the white pack of raspberry or the strawberry cream.
You always get something different, and I always be stuck with the same thing. Thank you.
For the rest of your day?
How you doing?
He got the same thing.
Oh, you got the. Well, you both have birthday. What flavor can I get for you?
Strawberry cream.
Strawberry cream?
Strawberry chocolate.
We both have the same birthday?
Yeah. Hey y'all, so we got our free nothing but cupcake. I got red velvet. What kind you got?
Strawberries and cream.
And I just got a feeling here it's gonna be good because I've had this before, and I just got a feeling it's. Sorry y'all, my hairnet's still on my head. I think this still good, right? What you think? Okay.
Ain't gonna lie.
Dang. I knew I was gonna do that.
Do it again. Do it again.
This my red velvet. This is strawberries and cream. Oh, I hate when I be getting the same stuff and then he gets something and then it be good. Cause every time that I get something, it don't be good.
It do be good. It might just be better, you know?
Taste yours.
This motherfucker, I ain't gonna lie, this smell like strawberry. You know the Go-Gurts?
Let me
That's what
smell
it
it. Let me
smell
smell it. You do too much.
What?
It's good. Let me say something. Taste. You taste. Put some on your fork and feed it to me, and then we gonna feed it to each other. Come
I don't know if I want to share. Yeah, your shit weak.
on. Yours good.
It ain't nasty, but man, better.
That's cute. Different part, I can't